Eu quero estar mais próximo do teu olhar e viajar nesse mundo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this box full of goodies that I got in the mail from Pinch Me. So before I show you guys everything I got, there was a little card that came in with my box and I wanted to read it to you. It says how Pinch Me works. Number 1, become a pincher. Complete your member profile and tell us more about yourself, and that way it helps them match products that are relevant to your lifestyle. You get to choose your samples. On Sample Tuesday, choose samples to add to your Pinch Me box. You do not need any credit cards, so therefore it is free. You don't have to link a credit card. And in exchange for free products, you give them your feedback. So number 3, give us your feedback. Try the products for free. In exchange, we ask for some of your time and plenty of your opinions. And on here, they kind of give some guarantees on the little card, and it says it's 100% free all the time. It's not your average box because you get to enjoy a variety of free samples. So what do you guys think of that? I personally think it's an awesome program, the fact that they send you a lot of products, you get to try them out, and there's not only sample sizes but also full-size products. So I think it's a pretty awesome deal. Alright, so let's start off with what I got. So the first thing that I got is this Bag Balm Moisturizer. This is going to be perfect for the winter, especially, I don't know about you, but in the winter, my hands get really dry, and so I think this is going to be perfect. This is a full-size product. It says on the back that the Bag Balm has been the farmer's friend, helping dairy farmer skin from becoming trapped from the harsh Vermont climate and the hard work on the farm. It works hard to moisturize and soften your severely dry skin whenever it occurs. So this is definitely going to be perfect for those cold winter days when your hands get all chapped. It says that you can also use this for dry skin that can crack or split, hands and feet, elbows, knees, any skin that is dry. So definitely perfect to moisturize your skin. I'm also excited to use this on my feet for some added moisture. The next thing I got was this Moroccan oil for my hair, and I'm actually really excited to try this out. It says it's a Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types, and on the back it says apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair. I actually tried it on my hair yesterday, and it made it really shiny and flat. I normally don't have issues with frizziness on my hair, but I did notice that it was very shiny from using this. And a little bit does go a long way. This is 0.34 fluid ounces, perfect for travel. The next thing I got, I've actually been hearing a lot about this. It is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This one is crushed macadamia and rice milk. And it says how to use in shower or bath. Scoop a generous amount of body polish with hand, spread all over body in a circular motion, and rinse. So I definitely want to try this out. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. I've also seen it being sold at Walmart and also Target. Next item is kind of random. It's actually like a band-aid for blisters. So I feel like this would come in handy if I'm using like heels or a new shoe that I'm breaking in and I have a blister. So this would be perfect for that. Another beauty product that they sent in was this cute little Biore charcoal cleansing micellar water. I've actually never tried this. I do really like micellar water to remove the makeup, and this is also perfect for travel. The next thing I got was this Garnier Nourishing Treatment 1 Minute Hair Mask. I absolutely love hair masks, so this will be pretty cool to try out. The next product is also very random, but I think would be really cool to try out, and this is from Shugru. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it's a moldable glue, and on here it says fixing is good, and when you open it, there's like a red Sugru like glue thing, and it explains what you can use it for. So you could stick it, mold it, set strong. It says it's heat and cold resistant, waterproof, shock resistant, holds up to 4.4 pounds. So basically what this is a type of glue that's moldable. You can use it to fix like your charging cables and a lot of other stuff. So this is another random thing that I think is pretty cool. It says it protects your gadgets, so you could even use it as like a little bumper for your iPhone if you needed to. Also, if your zipper breaks, you can use it to fix your, you could use it to fix your zipper, and also for waterproof repairs. So this is a really random, that I've actually never heard about this, but pretty cool to have around in case you need to repair stuff. The next three things that I'm about to show you guys is actually food related, and this one is a sample of nut butter. It says it has 9 grams of protein. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this before, but I've actually seen these at Target, and they're pretty expensive, so I'm pretty interested in trying this out. Next thing I got is this little K-cup, perfect for my Keurig, and this is a black gold dark roast coffee, $18.50. I've also seen a lot of commercials for this, so I'm excited to see what it tastes like, to see if it's good. And the next thing I got are these 2 teas from the brand Organic India. One is for immunity and the other one is to help thrive, for balance, energy support. That's what it says. I've really been into teas lately, so I really want to see what they taste like and if they're good. Also on the back, there is a $1 off coupon. Alright guys, so that is it. That is everything I got in this box. Now I did want to say that Pinch Me contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in making a video for you guys and also sharing everything I got in this box. I want to let you guys know, head over to pinchme.com, go ahead and sign up and get started to receiving your free boxes. All you have to do is put in a review, and that's it. That's all you get to do, and you get a box full of free products. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, for watching me. Please like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!
E vais perceber que o céu que tu procuras sempre foi teu.